Happy morning, children. Today in this video we are going to learn about water. Water is very important to us. Humans, animals and plants cannot live without water. Everyone needs water to live. Water is very precious, so we should not waste water. Water is tasteless, colorless and transparent. We use water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes and watering plants and bathing. Now we are going to see sources of water. We get water from sea, rain, lakes, rivers, ponds, wells and tap. Next, we are going to see how are clouds formed. How are clouds formed? We have water here and sun. When sunrise fall on the water, the water get vaporized. This water vapor goes up. I will repeat once again. Here we have some water. When sunrise fall on the water, this water get vaporized. This water vapor goes up and form clouds. And last we are going to see the topic water cycle. What is water cycle? Let's see. Let me understood what is water cycle with the help of a small video. The sun heats up the water from ocean, lakes and rivers, and water changes into water vapor by the process is called evaporation. Plants also lose water in the form of water vapor from their leaves into the air by the process of transpiration. As the water vapor rises up into the air, it starts cooling down and form a tiny water droplets. These water droplets come together to form clouds. This process is called condensation. When the cloud starts getting heavy and cannot hold the water droplets anymore, they fall back to the earth in the form of rain, hail or snow. This process is called precipitation. Some of the water that falls on the earth seeps into the ground. This water is available to us in the form of groundwater. The remaining water falls back into the oceans, lakes, rivers and seas. This process is called collection of water. The sun starts heating up its water once again. This continuous process is called water cycle. Thank you, children. Thanks for watching. Children, now Miss is going to send you a small assessment related to our topic water. With the help of your parents, just do the assessment, take a snap and send it to your class teacher. Thank you for watching.